Mark 4 confirmed.
Roger that. Proceed to the next setup point.
We're seeing significant stress fractures right here at the contact zone.
Copy that. Log in the RQD now.
Pressure spike at hole 12. We have inflow.
Acknowledged. Reducing feed pressure now.
Keep the pressure steady. All right, watching it now.
Get the second pump online now.
We need more trays over here.
Pressure stabilizing on the west side.
We need the next segment ready for the Kvitsøy spur junction by high tide. The stabilization looks good.
Confirmed. The welding is complete on this section.
Keep the pump moving towards the center.
All right, make sure the screed catches up on this side.
Make sure the drainage inlets are completely clear before we sign off on this section.
Already checked the flow rate on the tablet. Everything looks watertight.
We are maintaining full load. No critical alarms.
Roger that. Ambient temperature holding steady at -5.
Stress monitoring is stable. Readouts match the projections.
Confirmed.
Confirmed.
Log the milestone.
The torque values look consistent across the board.
Yes, and the shotcrete thickness is well within tolerance.
Approaching cross passage, everyone accounted for.
Roger that. Comms check complete. Maintain speed.
Lower it slowly. Watch the clearance on the left side.
Okay, this one is green. The latch works fine.
Yeah, copy that. Let's check the ventilation flow.
Final adjustment made. How the coverage?
Looks stable and clear. Thumbs up from here.
The ventilation system is fully compliant.
Yes, I have the pressure readings here.
Interstellar decision.
Set for Subsea initiated.
The as-built data is all here, including the maintenance schedules. With this key, we officially hand over the E39 Rogfast project.
Thank you.
Torque reading confirmed at 150 Newton meters.
Noted.
Drainage looks clear down here.
Torque reading confirmed at 250 Newton meters.
Noted. Drainage channel clear.
Control, this is team lead at 21500. Torque verification complete on sector 4.
Copy that. Drainage inspection status.
Final adjustment on the lighting alignment here.
Okay, I've logged the cable tray verification. Everything looks good.
Fastener torque confirmed at 200 millimeters.
Drainage clear on segment 22,500.
Lighting alignment adjusted.
Torque looks good at 250.
Verified. Logging the data now.
Diagnostics are showing green across the board.
All right, let's log the cable tray alignment and move to the next segment.
Torque check complete on segment 23750.
Confirmed. Drainage clear. Proceed with lighting adjustment.
Aiming the lights now. How does the drainage look?
Looks good from here. All green on the tablet.
Torque is set on bracket 12. Confirmed. Log that for segment 24,500.
Torque setting confirmed. 250 Newton meters achieved.
Verified on the checklist, segment 25,250.
Lighting alignment is stable.
Torque on bracket 25,750 is confirmed green.
Noted. Lighting alignment is also within spec.
Final torque adjustment on the cable tray bracket.
Lighting alignment confirmed. The beam pattern is steady.
Logging the verification report now. Everything looks good at 26,000 meters.
Torque set to 150 Newton meters.
Confirmed. Fastener secure at segment 2625D.
Fasteners are secured. Did the scan pick up any anomalies on the drainage?
Negative. Everything is green for this segment.
Torque check complete on segment 27250.
Acknowledged. Data logged.
Torque setting confirmed on segment 27500. Alignment checks out. Proceeding to the next bracket.
Torque setting confirmed at 28,000.
Roger that. Drainage clear on segment 4.
Hold it steady right there.
Okay, applying final tension. It's calibrated.